We finally got our hands on the new iPhone 14 Pro, and I'm curious what people think about the dynamic island. It's a feature that embraces the camera and sensor cutout by adding a cool new UI around it. What do you think the dynamic island is?
This thing that has the animation.
Oh, it's this thing here, right?
They made something bad into a feature. Only Apple could do that.
I like the little tiny picture there.
Oh, that's cool. The pill widened and it's got a timer on there.
What am I supposed to do? If I click it, it just takes me to the music app.
Wouldn't it be faster if when you tapped it, you got the widget?
It's one of those things that you have to get used to.
I wouldn't tell you have to hold it. My first thought would be just tap it.
I think tapping it would be quicker, but at the same time, I really don't think this added anything.
So would you get one just for the dynamic island?
Yes, maybe.
I have a 13 Pro. I don't think it's worth upgrading just for that though.
What do you think?